Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hằng nghe, lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bà có bài bên mình nghe. Nrei ti bro chính em ngin hap sunyo kitang itek pop. Bagi kamba baha jungi.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjasliang. Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Lingbaga Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan Kaseng Congress Klakut Jumut Banpin Thamai Lut Yabro Kinahilam Hamanag District Jangajila Meghalaya Kum Gajingpun Kre Yak Election Joko Ying Dorba Thawan Kabanlong House Nam Arajar Apupra Hagajila Meghalaya Ujon Richard Lobo Ubade Unong Pet Perman Jong All India Congress Committee Lawan Yuk Kejad Haribhoi District Nagabintaban Pynkhlaiñ Yaka Party Berkham Tam Banjit No Yunong Ilama Themmai Jong Congress Haribhoi District Namar Kumakalong Menta ke Parti Kedan Tang Yu Ad Hoc President
Tokoble pi baro hagani kapor ngidan hangni hapo umsning hagababanya thu ipi baro ikpajba kibapet ya gani ka news i kumbalong nagalian jongka All India Congress Committee kalapha ya uwe niki observer mentang baro ladon hangni hapo Ribhoi district jongi Kajingwan jong ki observer mdei tang Haribhoi hapo ka Haman Laki district hakaba ka jingtmu jong ka All India Congress Committee hakaba de banjit yau president jong ka Ribhoi district Congress Committee te kade ka jingtha ba ka jingpen be nanti nakaliang jong ka Aicc hakaba observer undon hakini ki santali sans kumba sanski undon hamni hapo district kejongi hak baun salet nakawai ka blok syakawi pat ka blok haman santali ki blok jong ka Ribhoi kata haman la santali ki constituency jong ka Ribhoi district kejongi hak ban nakaliang observer un salet ban kedu ya baro ki nongelam nadu ki riurangba ki samla ki longkemi ban shim ya ka feedback ane ban shim ya ka jingkelum lang habai day bat ka jingjit yau president jong ka Ribhoi District Congress Committee. Tehani idon is JR Lobo i badai i observer na po Aicc te idon lekat pat ngin adu manen kasngi la po hande te communities don ngin sayo ka briefing na kaliang ka jong i ba ka jing wan ka jong i ba ka jing don ka jong i hangni hapo district ka jong i te communities don ngin yo ka briefing na kaliang ka jong i.
I've been appointed by the Aicc New Delhi as observer for the selection of DCC president of Ribhoi district in Meghalaya. This is the part of the Abhiyan, which is called Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan, promoted by the Aicc New Delhi. Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan is the derivative or is the fallout from the All India Congress Committee, a nationwide organization transformation campaign, which was a part of the national campaign which our leader Mr. Rahul Gandhi undertook, starting his Abhiyan right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, the Padayatra which he did. And then later he did the another Abhiyan from Bihar to New Delhi. The objective of this entire Abhiyan is to strengthen the DCC now. As on now, the various activities are the promotional thinking which our Congress had. But at the grassroots level, for implementation, there were a lot of problems. Understanding all these issues, All India Congress Committee thought of revamping the districts and to activize the districts and to see that all the programs are properly implemented at district level. The Sangathan has to be done at the district level. As a part of that, this is the first step to identify the right candidates for the district presidency. And then which will go down to the level of revamping the district committees, and then at the block level, and then at the ward level, at the functionary level also. We observers have the responsibility of looking into the implementation of the aspiration of the Aicc without any malice or any prejudice. We will take the opinion of the people, we will interact with the leaders, collect their opinions, and then in the presence of the PCC observers also, we will finally prepare the final report to the Aicc. The Aicc would like to make DCC more functional, effective, because Congress always stood for the democratic values, to strengthen the democracy. The people aspirations have to be implemented, put into action, and always Congress stood for the welfare of the entire people of the country, including the backward class, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minorities, women, and all the vulnerable sections, the support. It is the inclusive development which Congress always thinks of. It is the welfare of each and every person which Congress always keeps in mind. It is the Congress which would like to build the nation in this direction. And as a part of that, effective leadership is required at the district level and down to the final grama level, the panchayat level, at the local body level. And this is the reason the entire organizational restructuring is being planned by the Congress. In Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, which our national beloved leader Rahul Gandhi undertook, and also the Padayatra which he undertook right from Kanyakumari to Srinagar, Kashmir. It was a part of it to make the people sensitive about their rights, liberties, and also to understand the needs of the people. I appeal to all the workers as well as Congress people to support this Abhiyan of the Aicc. It is not that a single Aicc observer or the PCC observers can do this job. Unless there is a support from the field and local level, nothing will be possible from us. I appeal to all Congress people, persons, to support this Abhiyan, and not only support this Abhiyan, subsequently, whoever has been selected and finally appointed as president and office bearers by the Aicc, to give the complete support to them and fulfill the policies and aspirations of the Aicc. I would like to be here from today till 24th. Continuously, we will be traveling, visiting various blocks, holding meetings there, interacting with the leaders, and also we will have one-to-one discussion with the people and the party workers to understand their mindset, to understand their feelings about the leadership. And finally, also to have one-to-one interaction with the aspirants. Today, we will collect the applications. Subsequently also, if anybody fails to give their applications today, we will collect the applications later also, but before our departure. And we will understand the support or their ideology about the Congress party and the competence that they have to implement the policies and the programs of our party. To all the workers to give support to this Abhiyan. Thank you.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.